So there's a car alarm going off there, but the cop's just going to drive off. He doesn't really care. So World of Wheels doesn't get the satisfaction of having cop support. Huh. Okay.